Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about GK and GS one-liner questions of that is part 23. Please check my playlist, you will find all the parts chronologically. So here these parts are very useful for all central government jobs as well as defense examination purpose. So please have patience and we'll discuss about all those whatever the one-liner have been given in it. Initially we have the Indian Independence League was set up by whom? That was set up by Raj Bihari Bose. Please remember, whatever the league that is concerning to Indian independence, that league was set up by Raj Bihari Bose. In India, the power of judicial review is restricted because the constitution is supreme. Due to that reason, the power of judicial review is restricted. So the constitution is supreme. That is the reason the judicial review is restricted. The places has yielded earliest stupa railing, that is Sanchi. We knew that what are the places that has yielded earliest stupa railing, that is Sanchi. In the 1994, Tansen Samman was given to whom? That was given to Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, who is the player of that is Sarod. We knew that Sarod player, that is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Now we have, as per the ancient Indian legends, Surabhi was a medicine prepared by the great Dhanvantri. He was the one who had prepared the medicine named as Surabhi. Ashoka sent missionaries to which place? He had sent to Tibet and Ceylon. He had spreaded the Hinayan and Mahayan with the help of his son. Now we have excess amino acids are broken down to form urea in that is liver. Please remember, whatever the amino acids are broken down to form urea in the liver, as you can see to the right side, how exactly after absorption food molecules are assimilated, the assimilation to become a useful part of a cell or organ role of the liver. Here we have glycogen is made from excess blood glucose, amino acids used to make proteins, fatty acids that is glycerols are made into fat, form cholesterol from fat, excess amino acids deaminated forms urea. This is one thing you have to remember. Here whatever excess amino acids are broken down to form urea in liver. Next we have the Raja King Bhoja, a great patron of literature and art belonged to that is Gurjara Pratiharas. This is one thing you have to remember. The Raja King Bhoja, a great patron of literature and art, belonged to Gurjara Pratiharas. Next, the system involves the conversion of heat energy into mechanical energy, that is steam engine. This is one thing you remember guys. Whatever the system involves the conversion of heat energy into mechanical energy is that is steam engine. So where you will find this type of activity in the even rails also, you will find the same heat energy gets converted into mechanical energy. Next we have the process used in obtaining charcoal from wood is that is destructive distillation is the process in which that is in that process what happens is that is obtained charcoal from wood, that is destructive distillation. Now we have the alkanes possessive 5 isomers, that is butane. Please remember, whatever the alkanes that possess 5 isomers, they are known as, we knew that is butane is which has got 5 isomers. The mass of an atom depends on the number of proton as well as electrons. Please remember guys, whatever the mass of an atom, which depends on what? That depends on the number of protons as well as electrons. Next we have synthesis of proteins is performed by the Golgi body. Please remember, whatever the synthesis of proteins which is performed by the Golgi body. The heavenly body appears stationary to us because there is a polar star which is a heavenly body which is stationary, that's also known as Polaris. The Kautilya's Ardhashastra is a treatise on statecraft. This is one thing you have to remember. Kautilya is also known as Chanakya. He had written the book Ardhashastra, which is a treatise on statecraft, means the whatever the rulings of the Chandragupta Maurya. The effect of Kalinga war on Ashoka are described in rock edicts. Whatever the rock edict, you have to name what is the name of that rock edict. that is mentioned the Kalinga War? You comment me in this section. The first Muslim invader of India was, that is, Muhammad bin Qasim. In 712 AD, he had invaded the India. He was the first Muslim invader of independent India. Now we have the Adi Granth, which was compiled by the Guru Arjan. He had compiled this Adi Granth. The founder of Dravida Kazhagam, that is C.N. Annadurai, was the founder of Dravida Kazhagam. The Banaras Hindu University was founded by whom? The Banaras Hindu University was founded by Madan Mohan Malaviya. As you can see to the right, how exactly he looks like. He had found Banaras Hindu University. Swadeshi Steam Navigation was founded by whom? That Swadeshi Steam Navigation was founded by V.O. Chidambaram had founded Swadeshi Steam Navigation. Next we have Shivaji Festival was organized by, the festival of Shivaji has been organized by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was the one who even formulated or made the Ganpati festival in a limelight. That the diarchy was introduced by the governor, that is Chelmsford. Please remember, whatever the diarchy was introduced by the governor Chelmsford. The father of Indian Renaissance was, that is Raja Ram Mohan Rai was the father of Indian Renaissance. Morarji Desai's life achievement was himself become Prime Minister of India. As you can see to the right, he was the 4th Prime Minister of India. The World Literacy Day, which is celebrated on 8th September. Blood clotting means that fibrinogen changes into fibrin is known as blood clotting. The center-state relations is inquired by Sariska Commission. In this, the center-state relations have been inquired. The president rule can be imposed in a state for a maximum period of, that is 6 months. Please remember, whatever the president rule, that can be imposed in a state for a maximum period of 6 months only, not more than that. The power of judicial review in India is, that power is vested with whom? That is vested with the Supreme Court of India, that is located in New Delhi. The election disputes are decided by Election Commission of India. Whatever the dispute concerning to the election have been decided. The Planning Commission was set up in which year? That was set up in 1950. Now you have to message me who was the head of the Planning Commission in 1950. Next we have the Jain Commission concerning to what? That is related to the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi is the commission which was set up. That is Jain Commission. The per capita income has been the highest so far. That is in the state of Punjab. You can see in this state the per capita income has been the highest so far because the production of income of the rice are maximum. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. There are 800 plus question papers have been given and the playlist have been compiled in different sections which will be very useful for you to go through each and every topic. You can call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. I am doing my best. I want you guys to do your best to spread this channel to maximum people.